Alright, so right now I'm in my Redbubble shop, okay, and actually this is not my shop, this is my Redbubble dashboard. So I'm going to go to my portfolio, I'm going to manage portfolio, and from here I'm going to delete all those designs which I think are not actually meeting Redbubble's requirements. Okay, so I'll just scroll down. See, these are fine. This icon or this image that I've used, it is not taking up the entire design area. Okay, it's only part of it. But I'll show you a couple of designs like this one. This is actually the same design which is taking up the entire area, and I've not made it myself. Okay, so these are those designs which should not be there on my Redbubble account. Okay, so this is the delete button. I can select multiple from there and delete them. Okay, so all this kind of designs that I've created and uploaded, I'm going to delete them. Okay, I do not want them to be on my Redbubble shop anymore. Now someone can say that here is not one design that is taking the maximum place, it is actually multiple designs which are used here, but then all these designs are not made by me. I've just taken it from different royalty free places. Okay, so still I do not want them to be on my page, on my account. This is fine because this cannot be claimed by anyone. Okay, this design cannot be claimed by anyone. This is fine. These things are also okay. Just doodle. Okay, 3 different kinds of doodle. All right, I don't remember when I did this. All right, so these are fine. See, this B that I've used, it is not taking up the entire area. Okay, it's only part of the design, so it's fine. But here this pizza, this is taking up the entire area. It's taking up the maximum area. I'll not say entire, but then maximum area. So this kind of things are not allowed by Redbubble. Till now I'm lucky that they have not found it out, so my account is still not disabled, right? So it's not banned yet. So I'm going to click delete from here. Are you sure you want to delete 8 works from your portfolio? I said yes. So right now I have around 275 designs, but I think most of them are going to go. So now these are not there anymore. I'm thinking to keep my account only text based because I love actually doing text based designs, and unless I start writing something myself or I start drawing something myself on the computer, I will stick with this text based designs. Okay, so you can see the designs, the one word designs that I've created earlier. Okay, all right, so these designs also is similar, okay, where most of the space is taken up by one of those elements which are not designed by me. That's why I'm going to delete them. Okay, so this is fine. I think I don't want to delete that. I think this is okay, even though it's a big design which I have not created, but I don't think somebody can claim this because it is very generic, very generic, right? But these are not that generic. I know some of these have likes as well. I can't help it. I have to remove them for the greater good, right? All right. Again, this one, threw this together. Did I make this? I did. So let it be there. Whatever I've selected, let's remove them first. Okay, I'll click on delete. 7 works. Yes. Now ensure if you are deleting your works from Redbubble, ensure that you are also selecting only those which you want to delete. Okay, again it has brought me to the first page, which is not good. I'll have to again go to the next page. Okay, let me show you a few more designs which are not good for Redbubble, and then I'll stop because I do not want to take the entire time showing up this thing. It's just repetitive work, right? Alright, so this one again, coronavirus, I think it is not something that I've designed, and these as well, so I'm just deleting them, and I think that's fine. Alright, this as well, see, this word I've not designed, okay, even though it's a text-based thing. I think nobody can actually claim this, okay. And this one, the most beautiful mom and love you mommy, these two are text-based designs, but I've added other elements to it as well, like these hearts, like these stars, okay. These I've added myself, so I think this can be avoided. I mean, I can keep them, I guess. So let this be there. I'll remove the others that I've selected. Okay, fireworks deleted. I don't know if there's a way to list more items here. I think there are some 50 items over here. Okay, let's go to the next page, page number 2. I've deleted all. Okay, see this again, these are not my creations, okay, none of them, so it's better not to keep them. When you go to Redbubble, you can see a lot of pages with this kind of content, right? You may find that, okay, these are people who are using this butterflies or similar elements on their designs as well, and they're not getting banned. This does not mean that you should also do the same, okay. Probably they're lucky that they're not getting banned, but you may not be lucky, okay. If Redbubble finds your design that it's not matching or it's not going against their policy, then no matter who you are, no matter how much you have sold on Redbubble, they're going to delete your account or ban you on Redbubble, right? So to avoid that, I'm going to delete all these things from here. Okay, so delete. Okay, now this time let's go to page number 3 directly because let's see if you can see more images over there which have to be deleted. I'm feeling a little bit sad because I have to delete all this. I spent a lot of time to upload this one by one, right? But then for the greater good, I have to delete, because later on, if Redbubble finds out that these are against their policy and they do not want me to use them, then it will be a problem, right? So all these are my designs, all these are my original designs. Here also, I think these are fine. This element is from a different website, but I have a lot of text over there. I think so this is fine. It's like 50-50, so that's fine. To me, that's fine. Let's see. So let's see some more designs which I used earlier, like these ones. Okay, thank God it's pineapple. So I have a text over there, and this look good, but then this one is clearly something which I have not made, right? Now this is my design which sold. This is the only design that has sold. If you have seen my previous video, you must have seen that this is the design that has sold till now. Okay, so I'll keep that. Obviously this was created by me. These are nice. This smile thing is completely their design. These two elements let it be there, not one. So this element is also not mine, so I'll just delete this. I'll delete all these butterflies. I loved this butterflies thing, but and I've also seen a lot of people actually selling these butterflies, and they're also not getting banned, but somehow I feel it's not enough. Should not be there on my account. Now these mangoes, I actually spent a lot of time in creating these guitars, because they're not aligning and they're overlapping. Spent a lot of time making them, remaking them. Even these flowers, all this I'm going to delete. So see this one. Here also I've added text, but my text is very small. when you compare to this element which is not mine. Okay, that's why I'm deleting this as well. And all these flowers, even though they're different, they're not the same, these flowers are not the same, but still they're not my own creation. So are these strawberries, these leaves. Okay, so I'm not going to keep any of them on my account. Okay, so I've selected many. Let's go and delete them. Now one more thing about these designs, this tree inside is not my creation. Okay, but then I've used overlays, I've used different shapes around it. Okay, and that I think should be by Redbubble, right? So that's why I'm just keeping them. I'm not going to delete them. Delete the rest. 24 designs. Okay, sorry. it hurts obviously if I've created it myself, so it hurts to delete them, but then there is no other way. I have to delete it. So what I have to do, right? We cannot avoid that. So number of pages have reduced. Let's go to page number 4, right? Let's see how many designs we have there which can be deleted. We should delete from the end, from the last one, so that makes life easier, I guess. Again, these are all liked, but these are not my designs, and I'm not going to keep them. I actually had a separate collection on India and all these were featured on there, but somehow, yeah, I'm dumb. I have to delete those. Even these elephants, I cannot keep them. These are not my original creations. This is fine, I guess, and these two are fine. I'll keep this as well. All right, anything else? This is fine, this is fine. Here also you can see that this heart element I've used, but then the text is much bigger than that, so that's fine. Okay, this was nice, I loved it, but then what to do? Do you think I should delete this? I'm really getting a vibe that I should delete them. Let's delete them. And these pineapples as well. I'll make something like that later on. Okay, let's delete them. 19 works. There you go. So I'm doing it live. I'm showing all these things to you guys so that you understand that it is important to post only original images or original designs on Redbubble, because I've seen a lot of videos where they are saying that Redbubble has banned them, closed their account, and they do not have any recover that, which would be very bad if they do to me. Okay, so that's one thing. And initially when I was watching different videos on different channels, some people have taught actually to take these kind of things from different royalty free pages or apps and then use them on your designs. Now that is how I've actually created this Redbubble shop, to be honest. But then I do not want, now that I know, now that I've learned it, okay, I do not want these things to be there on my shop. Okay, these are fine, these are having like 50-50 places, right? So I'll leave them. And these polka dots I've created myself. So this again, now let me talk about this. Now this image originally is not my creation, the silhouette image, okay, but after checking or using them on some image editor and then adding this hello thing and then this text and this design at the bottom, I think I've done enough to change it to something which is not original completely. Okay, but then still this can be regarded as original and I can probably sell them. Okay, so I'm just keeping them as they are. A lot of designs over there. All right, delete those two. I think I'm done, because the rest of the designs that I have in the next page are all these Buddha images. I love them, and this is what I'm going to keep. I'm not going to delete those for sure. Let's see. the last page. If there is anything that I need to delete, okay, this one I'll delete, nothing else. Okay, all others are done by me, handmade. All right, so I'm looking to actually get into digital drawing, whatever I know, whatever I have already learned, that I can do on my notebook with my pen. Okay, I want to do the same on my computer using my digital pad that I already have. Now let's see if I can come up with some kind of abstract designing and all. Those may be helpful. Okay, and those I'm sure I can upload on my Redbubble channel or Redbubble shop. Okay, so few are remaining. I think that's fine, that's done. Okay, now if I go to my shop, let me show you my shop. So this is my Redbubble shop. Okay, and I'll leave a link to this in the description. You can check it out from there. It has 206 designs as of now. I've removed almost like 80 designs, okay, in last 20 minutes. So whatever you see now are the rest of the designs that I have. So you can see the design who's showing on the top. Okay, these are the design that is sold. So when you are visiting a Redbubble shop, the designs that are on the top, you can think that these are the ones which are getting sold. Okay, all right, so you can see all these designs are mostly text based. Some of them are not, but then these are highly edited. Okay, I've just taken the tree and put around or all around that, and then edited, tinted it, done a few changes on that. It's originally picked up from there, so these are fine. Okay, I think the shop is now looking better. Okay, it's not looking like stolen from someone if I have to say that. Okay, all right, so I'll be adding more of these text-based designs. Okay, I don't want normal text, simple text like this. These are also fine, these are selling more, but then rather than having a text like this, I would probably create something like this. I love creating things like this. Okay, so maybe in the future. Alright, so that's all I have in this video. I hope you have seen and understood what are the things that I should keep on my Redbubble shop and what are the things I should not keep on my Redbubble shop. If you have any questions, if you want to know anything about Redbubble, please feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I'll definitely assist you. I always respond to each and every comment. Okay, so please feel free, and I'll obviously get back to you. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.